welcome back to another episode of my spring living series. We're going to start off today. We're going to run a few errands, go to a couple of my favorite stores, and then we're going to come back home and I want to make this delicious strawberry dessert. I love strawberries, and this is a different recipe I've never made with strawberries before, so I thought this would be fun if we make this together. And then I'm also going to share with you some new spring pieces that I've gotten. Of course, I think share my shoes with you last video, but I've got a dress, a really cozy outfit, and a beautiful linen top. So we're going to do a little quick fashion show. Then we're going to head outside. I want to share with you what we've accomplished so far in my dream garden area. So Mark planted the tree, I'll show you that. And also we added some more dirt, some more stepping stones. So we've got a lot of more work to do, but I am going to share with you how things looked last year. I'm going to kind of put a B-roll in so you can see how last year's garden was, how beautiful my outdoor living space is. Because I know it's really hard for you all to visualize, especially if you're new, what it really looks like out there and what we can be excited about here in the next coming weeks. So in the meantime, let's go ahead. Let's grab a little cozy drink. I'm going to grab one for the road. Hopefully you enjoy one while you're watching this video. And let's spend a lovely, beautiful spring day together. I just dropped Archie off to get groomed, and it's never enjoyable because he literally has the worst anxiety. I feel so bad, and I even feel worse for the groomer just because he barks so loud, and she's like, you know, I only can do what I can do, and I appreciate anything that you can do, so thank you so much for just taking him. So now I'm in front of one of my favorite stores, which you guys all know it is. It's Aldi. I'm going to pick up 3 ingredients for a delicious recipe that I want to share with all of you, so let's head on in. A quick stop to one of my favorite places to get jelly beans around this time of year, and I want to surprise my mom with some, and of course I had to get some for myself because I love jelly beans, especially from Gorant Candy. Archie looks so super handsome, and the groomer said he was really good today. To get us into the strawberry mood today for baking this delicious dessert, I thought I would try out my new strawberry candle. I'm wasting no time jumping right on into this delicious sweet spring strawberry bake, which is going to be perfect for having family or friends over, or just enjoying a little cozy dessert in the garden. And all you need is some strawberries, and some sugar, lemon zest, vanilla, flour, old-fashioned oats, and some brown sugar and cinnamon, and a little sprinkle, a little dash of some salt, 3 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter cubed, and if you want to top it off with a little whipped cream. Our strawberry sweet treat just came out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool down just a little bit. It smells really good in here, like strawberry fields. And while it's cooling, I ran out real quick to get the mail, and this just got delivered, and I forgot I ordered it a few days ago, and it's by Nest, and it is the Santa Barbara strawberry perfume oil. Oh my goodness, friends. Literally, it smells just like the sweet treat that just came out of the oven. So not only is my house smelling really delicious right now. When I run out a little bit later today, I'm gonna smell just as good. So I topped it off with a little whipped cream. I can't wait to try it out. Wow, that is pure heaven. I mean, talk about fabulous. To get ready for my quick little fashion show today, I have to steam my items, and I wanted to share with you my new steamer, and this is by the company FIPO, and this is a travel steamer. And I don't know about you, but I always have to either iron or steam my clothes when I travel, but this is perfect even just to have here at home. So it's a 2-in-1, it's a steamer and an iron. This heats up so super fast. I love how it works. It's perfect for everything I need, either to iron or to steam it. And what I love, it comes with this travel bag and the little plastic container to fill the reservoir. This is definitely going to be in my travel bag, but I'm loving it so much that I've been using it lately every time I need to steam or iron any of my outfits. And I do like to thank FIPO for gifting me the travel steamer and iron, and I will have all the information in the description box. I tried on my outfits for you, did a little fashion show. I think I was getting deliriously tired because I was just laughing at myself and having fun. But I thought I would do like a split screen and share with all of you what the outfits are, what I'm really loving about them, and how I'm just going to enjoy wearing them throughout the spring season. And I've got more coming, so I definitely will update you on some more spring fashion. So let's talk about the first outfit. This I've had my eye on for quite a while, and anyway, I can't even begin to tell you how much I am in love with this. First of all, we know cashmere is so expensive, and if you ever heard of the brand Quince, friends, let me introduce it to you, or if you have, I'm sure you can totally agree with me how fantastic this entire line is. Everything is just so beautifully made and at a much better cost that you would get in other stores. So I'm wearing right now, this is a Mongolian cashmere cardigan, and it is just so super soft. It comes in numerous colors, and the price point for this cardigan is, I think, fantastic because I've looked at them in other places and I just always just kept walking on by. So absolutely beautiful. Now I've also got the pants. Now you can get joggers or pants. I love these pants again because I can wear them with other things. Super comfortable. I love that there's a drawstring. I like a jogger, but I really like these pants so much better just because you can dress them up or dress them down, which I always like to buy things that I can get multi outfits out of. I love this cashmere. I will probably try to get a few more extra pieces in it. Okay, so my next outfit is this beautiful European 100% linen pocket belted dress. And this is the gingham that I chose. I think it comes in about 12 different colors. I had so much fun when I had this on. I had my new ballet flats that I absolutely love. And I forgot to take my glasses off, so I was just having an absolute ball. It is so comfy, and I cannot wait to wear this throughout the spring and summer seasons. It is just a fun dress that you can wear pumps with or you can wear flats with. I am so into linen this year, and this is also 100% European linen. I think this top is so beautiful. It comes in different colors. I like how it's just a tad shorter in the front, a little bit longer in the back, but I just love the flareness of it, if that's a word, flareness. I just love how it flares. It's just so pretty and elegant. Again, I can wear this with dress pants or with jeans and just have so much fun wearing it. It's going to be super comfortable throughout the spring and summer seasons. Now, if you also want a staple piece, and this I purchased myself, this is a little bit more of a splurge, and this is by Ralph Lauren, and this is the cable knit. I'm trying to sit up a little bit. Cable knit sweater. I love Ralph Lauren. They are classic pieces, timeless pieces that you will have forever as long as you take good care of them. And I'm hoping to add a few more to my collection. I love cardigans, especially the button. I love just the quality of Ralph Lauren. And so I do want to grab a few more pieces, but I just been eyeing this for the longest time, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get it because I know it's going to last forever, and it's a classic timeless piece. And I'm going to be wearing this a lot during the spring and summer season. You better believe it. Real quick, I'm going to share with you what I got at Pop Shelf, which is my second favorite store. And then Mark and I are going to head out, that's why I changed again, to the nursery. And we need to get some more stone, we need to get some mulch, some more manure, and potting soil and all that kind of stuff, because we already went through so much of it. Well, not the mulch, but we think we're going to need more. So I thought I just might as well put on stuff that I don't mind getting a little bit dirty. So that's why I changed again. But while Mark is getting himself changed from just getting home from work, thought I'd share with you real quick what I got, though, like I mentioned, from Pop Shelf. So first of all, look at how cute. Look at these candlesticks. And these wall holders, they were all 50% off. Look at how pretty these are. So I thought, you know, I could obviously use these here indoors, but I can put them out on the patio when the weather's going to be nice. Because, you know, I always talk about when it comes to decorating, and especially in the spring and summer season, I love to bring the indoors out because our outdoor living space is truly my haven. And I just love it to look like it's a living room or a family room out there. So I love to bring the elements, the decor pieces from inside out there. And I think these will be perfect. And they also had some candles too. So I thought these were pretty, and I can just put them on top here. I love it. Okay, so then I'm also going to show you this beautiful table runner here in a minute. I like that it's reversible, and it also is like the woven material. So it gives me the vibe of spring, kind of summer, outdoorsy, which I like. So this table runner is like actually bringing the outdoors in, if that makes sense. Okay, one more thing that I did see too is we entertain so much in the spring and summer, well, all year round I should say, but especially during the warmer months when we're outside. I always worry about bugs when I have got cheeses and crackers and nuts and stuff like that. So I thought this was so cute and perfect. And so it has the lid. And let me see, I'm gonna try to do this. How do you, oh, there we go. Just push them out. And then the lid comes off, so that way I can just keep it from all the little critters getting at it. And so look, it's like a kind of a faux wood to put all my little appetizers and snacks and treats on it. So I thought this was great. I think this was probably, let's see, the prices. I'm thinking it was like $12 or something like that. I love it. It's so perfect. Okay, let me show you the table runner. Okay, so here's the table runner. Let me get these off of here and show you. So it's, you can use either side or the lighter side. Isn't this so pretty? I mean, I love it. It's exactly the vibe I wanted in here. And I can't believe I found it there. And again, the price, I don't even know. It was so inexpensive, and the quality it's made, so nice. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna show you my last thing that I got at Pop Shelf, and it is a beautiful tray that I already switched out and put on the island right before I filmed that delicious dessert. So let's head over there and I'll show you. And then we're gonna head out to the nursery and get all the extra things that we need, and then I'll show you a little bit of a tour on what's going on outside. So look at how pretty this tray is. I love it. This was 50% off, and I really love the size of it. So, and it's got the handles. I think I got this for like $6. Isn't it beautiful? So I took the other one out and I put it somewhere else here in the house, and then just put all my little things in here that I love. My touch lamp here, and my books, and of course my cute little Easter mug, and my matches candle, my cute little bunny. Of course, my gorgeous tulips this week. Can you guys see these? There you go. Look at how pretty they are. I got a mixture of color in here. It's so pretty. Also, I wanted to share with you, I was watching CJ the other day, and I found this strawberry candle. I had it, of course, lit when I was making my delicious strawberry dessert. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells just like strawberries. Exactly like my dessert. Between this and my perfume and the dessert, my house smells so good right now. But I wanted to show you this. I'll link this for all of you because it is like just like the cutest thing ever. All We're going to get some stone here so that we can make a section in the garden area a little tiered. So we're checking out some stone here to see which ones we would like to have. Here we go. I get excited to share with you the progress each video. Okay, so this is still the same, the steps. I think maybe we moved a few stones around because we got some more, as you can see over here. My husband built this up a little bit, a garden bed. This is where we're gonna put our new weeping cherry tree. We're gonna have the stone bordering it. We need more. We have to go get about probably, I'm thinking about 20 more. More pea gravel. So let me see here what we've got. So a lot of pea gravel. Topsoil. We did get rid of those 2 trees because they just weren't doing well. Lots of mulch. We're going to be mulching all this. I have one on hold. A garden bed here, like a 6x3, about 2 feet high for my flowers. So, I'll probably be purchasing that here soon. And then again, we're going to have pots just all around here. But this is really looking so pretty. And we have more slate here. It's going to be our pathway. As you can see, we just put bags of mulch, potting soil, pea gravel. So there's going to be a lot of work. Mark is going to literally put these in and put the pea gravel in between so they're not standing up. So no one will be breaking their back or ankles trying to walk on all this. And a lot more pea gravel, mulch, and stepping stones will go, obviously to here because I'll be planting some beautiful flowers and potting soil. So we carried all this from my car. It was a lot of work, but I can tell you gardening is definitely a good workout. I'm loving that. But this is what this is what it is looking like. A long way to go, but I'm really, like I said, excited to be bringing you all along each week to see what we've done. So stay tuned. Alright friends, well hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I had the best time bringing you all along. As you can see, I'm just so thrilled on how our outdoor dream garden space is turning out. And just again, stay tuned on my next video because I have so much more to share. We're going to be really busy this weekend, just trying to get a lot of it done. So you have to just make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you are not. Please do so, and because you guys have to come back, right, and see how things turn out. And I promise you, it's going to be so pretty, and I've just got so much in store for you for the rest of the spring and summer season, and we just got to have the best time together. So friends, I hope you take care, stay well, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.